To lock and unlock your chats on WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp app. When it opens up, you locate the group or the very chat you want to lock. So let's say I want to lock this chat and also lock this group chat. So the first one that I marked is just a chat with just one person, while the second one is a group chat. So let's say I want to lock these two. I've marked it, so I'll go to the top right hand corner. We have three dots. I'll tap on it. Then you see the option lock chat, so I'll tap on it. Then it will give me the option to keep this chat lock hidden, and I should use either my face or fingerprint to open this chat and read notification on this device. So I'll tap on continue. I would want to use my fingerprint to confirm that I want to lock my chat. So I'll just enter my fingerprint. Okay, so look at the top. My chats have been locked. When I tap on this locked chat, then it will ask me to enter my fingerprint. Let me enter it. Can you see? We have the locked chats displayed here. So I can go ahead and continue chatting with these persons. So let's go back. If you want to remove this notification, if you want to keep it out of sight, just tap on locked chat, enter your fingerprint, then look at the top, you will see three dots, tap on it, tap on chat lock settings, then you see the option hide locked chats. So when you toggle it on, your locked chats won't show on your chat list. To see them, you have to enter your secret code into the search bar in your chat tab. If you look at the bottom, you will see secret code, and I've toggled it on. If you don't have a secret code before now, just tap on this place that says secret code, tap on it. Then you create a code that you want to use to unlock your locked chats, or you want to use to access your locked chat. You can go ahead and enter the code. Let me enter my code again. I'll tap on next. It will ask me to confirm my code, so I'll enter it again. Then I'll tap on done. Can you see your secret code is set? Next, I'll go to the top hide locked chats. I'll just toggle it on so that the locked chats won't show on my chat list. So I'll tap on it. Then it will ask me, do I want to use my secret code to find my locked chats? I'll just tap on use my secret code. Or if you want to change your secret code, this is the opportunity to change it by tapping on change secret code. So I'll tap on use my secret code. Then it will ask me to enter that secret code that I've earlier on created. So I'll enter it now. Then I'll tap on done. So can you see it says locked chats are hidden? So let's go back and see if it's actually hidden. Okay, so can you see? You no longer see the locked chats on my chat list. Now you ask, how do you access this locked chat? How? You've already locked the chats. Okay, how then do you access it? It's as simple as ABC. Just look at the top, you will see Ask Meta AI or search. Tap on it. Then you go ahead and enter your secret code. Let me enter mine. So can you see my locked chats has been revealed? So I'll just tap on it and I can access the chats in here. Can you see? Now the next thing, if you want to unlock these chats, let's say you want to remove this group or this person from your locked chat, just tap on the chat, press and hold, tap on the three dots at the top, then tap on unlock chats. It will ask you to confirm with your face or fingerprint. So I'll enter my fingerprint. It's out of my locked chats. Next, I will tap on this group again. If I want to remove it from the locked chat list, tap on the three dots at the top, tap on unlock chats, confirm with my fingerprint, and it is out of here. So you see no locked chats. Now you see this person is back to my chat list. So it's as simple as ABC. You can go ahead and still lock other chats. If you want to lock other chats, just go ahead. If it was a mistake and you want to still lock this chat, just tap and hold. Then go to the top. You have the three dots. Tap on it. Then tap on lock chats. And it will ask you to continue. Tap on continue. Then enter your fingerprint and the chat has been locked. You won't see the locked chats on your chat list. So just use your code and the locked chats have popped up again. Tap on it. Then you'll be able to access these chats. If you got value in this video, consider liking this video, sharing this video to people who might find it useful, and also subscribing to this channel. Also turn on the notification button so you don't miss out of the next valuable video I'm going to drop in this channel. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.